Good day, everyone! Today we're making the most tender and delicious zucchini pancakes. They're perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack. With filling or without, they disappear from the table in no time. We'll need 2 zucchinis, about 500 grams total. Grate them on a coarse grater. Don't blend them. There's no need to squeeze out the excess juice. If you have a young zucchini, grate it, skin and seeds included. If the zucchini has a rough skin, be sure to trim it off and remove the seeds. Crack in 3 eggs. Make sure they're at room temperature. Take them out of the fridge beforehand. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, or adjust to your taste. Add half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Pour in 250 grams of warm milk. It helps make the pancakes fluffy. Mix the eggs together with the zucchini very well. Sift 220 grams of flour, but you can use the thickness of your dough as a guide. Add a little milk or flour if necessary. Add 3 tablespoons, or about 20 grams, of roughly chopped dill. You can replace it with green onions or any other herbs. Add the herbs to the rest of the ingredients. Large pieces of dill look especially nice in the batter. Brush your pan with odorless vegetable oil and heat it until it's lightly smoking. Pour in 1 ladle of batter and spread it around the pan. The batter is thicker than for regular thin crepes, so it spreads more slowly, but the pancakes still come out round. When the first pancake is ready, taste a small piece. Adjust the batter with salt or add a bit of flour if needed. Cook until the bottom is golden and the top becomes matte. When the edges are browned, flip the pancake. They don't stick, they don't tear. They're very easy to work with. Continue frying the rest, remembering to stir the batter each time before pouring. Now let's prepare a simple sauce for our zucchini pancakes. Finely chop 1 tablespoon of dill. Add it to 100 grams of sour cream and press in 1 large clove of garlic. Mix well and season with a pinch of salt to taste. Our zucchini pancakes with dill turned out tender, fluffy, and aromatic, with a golden crust and fresh herbs in every bite. And with sour cream, they bring the taste of summer and cozy homemade comfort. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next delicious recipe. Bye-bye!